remind me never to lay down cardboard for a prolonged amount of time, because it only serves as a hibernation spot for snakes. I've already killed 6 of them, and now we have a whole lot more. Look at that. I got a lot of cardboard to get up, and I am scared of snakes, but oh well, this got to be done. So to keep in mind that they are more afraid of me than I am them. Anyway, just a note. Again, I moved the second piece of cardboard, and we have, 2 more. If y'all can see that. One there, and one here. So there's 2. As I said, this is hibernation ground. Hibernation ground for these little snakes. Snakes that I hate. All right, so I'm a little bit more than halfway done. And over here, which is kind of creepy because I still have grass in this area. But I have, I think, about 2 more right there. 2 more little snakes. I try to kill all of them. Don't want no snakes out here. Anyway. There's one that's a different color. It's a little bit lighter in shade. I'm approaching the end here, so I'm hoping I don't see any more after this one. So that's it right there, that last little corner. And I'll be done with it. Let me go ahead and chop this one up. All right, anyway, so that was the last one. Well, actually, there was one more beside that little small one. And so we killed, I think it was about 15 or 16 little lowdown, creepy snakes, creepy critters. About 15 or 16 in all. I knew I was going to see some snakes today, because I was kind of contemplating this last night. I was saying, Self, be careful tomorrow, because you just might run into a few creepy critters. And we ran into a few, 15 to 16 of them. As I try to get this garden prepped for this year's garden season, it looks a hot mess. I got a long way to go. Try to get all this, try to make it look more aesthetic this year. I'll try to anyway. It all depends on what amount of energy I want to put into this thing. But anyway, so that's the trip to the zoo, the snake show. Anyway, I'll see y'all back. Be careful where you step. Oh, so look like I overlooked one. Look like I overlooked one. See, I was about to say, you gotta be careful where you step, because they blend in real good, camouflage themselves to be the color of the dirt. So anyway, I think that's about number 16 or 17. Man. All right, so I even found one here about the where I have my kale planted, where the leaves are. So they're not just on the cardboard, they're on the leaves too. Now I heard that snakes are blind during hibernation season, so I guess that explains why he is not moving. He moved a little bit, but he stopped. Anyway, so let me take care of him. All right, so that's it for today. If I had said the date already, today is Monday, February 21st. Monday, February 21st. And this is what I've done so far with this garden. I've been killing 20 snakes. It was 20 total. I found one up against this fence over here, so I want to say it was 20 total, if not at least 19. So yeah, just trying to get it prepped for this 2022 garden season. Make sure all the grass and everything is out the way before I clean her up. Still got a little grass to pull over here. I think I'm not going to pull all the grass, but as much as I can. Trying to pull all the grass is kind of tough. So this is what's left of my chard from last year. We still have a little that's growing here. Now as far as the kale is pretty much dried all the way out. I don't know, it still can come back though. That's one thing about kale and chard. It has a way of coming back. Look at this. We got bees. Bees already. And the winter is not over yet. Anyway, so I won't say that was fun killing all those snakes because I don't like snakes, especially killing snakes. So, but it's something that had to be done. Like I say, I would never do that again. I laid that amount of cardboard on the ground for such a long time, and like I said, it acts as a hibernation ground for snakes. Luckily, those are little snakes. If they were big snakes, I've been in the house and said, screw this 2022 garden season, because I hate snakes. I'm very afraid of them. No matter how many times how many I've seen in my life, you never get used to them. That's a few of them that I hadn't cleaned up yet. Still chopped up, diced, just a few. Anyway, that's it. Let me show y'all a little sneak peek at what I'll be planting this year. Now these are all the seeds I had left over from last year because I stocked up on it with the so-called pandemic. I didn't know whether they were going to stop selling seeds or not, so made sure I got a lot of green beans, a lot of chard, and just one pack of kale. I wish I had gotten more, but I think that'd be cool. But anyway, concerning what I'll be planting this year, of course, it's going to be green beans as always, chard as always, kale. I like cantaloupe better than I do watermelon, so we'll do cantaloupe. I don't know about watermelon this year. These are cucumbers, we'll be doing that. I might try corn again, I don't know. We got bell peppers, I might do it. Jalapenos, maybe tomatoes, maybe yellow onions, and maybe on green onions. We have here some more tomatoes, maybe on the yellow squash. My wife, she started bugging me about planting some herbs, oregano, cilantro, basil, and Italian parsley. So I don't know. We'll see what I go with this year. Of course, I'm going to go with this. That's why I was on this side. So this is most definite over there on that side. As far as this side, that's a maybe. We'll see. Anyway, so I'll give y'all garden update, or we'll do a video when I start planting. All right. See y'all next time.